Okay, so now we've finished a lot of our code, and this is the second part for doing the motion of the top pipes. So we already did the first part where if we click the play button and we click the return key to start playing the game, your bird starts falling and you can flap it, and the top pipe starts moving, but it stops when it gets to the end, and none of the other pipes are moving yet either, so we need to play with that. So how are we going to do that? Well, if we look at the code over here for our top pipe, so far, when the return key is pressed, so the game will start when that happens, right now it comes to the side of the screen, and forever after that it glides 8 seconds to x equals negative 300 and y position equals y position, so it doesn't change its y position. Do you guys see the problem with that? Is that after you get to this position, it will just stay there forever, because forever it's just trying to glide to a place it already is. So to make it keep going, we now have to move this back over here after this period of time, and then it'll start the process over again. So let's try that really quick. Let's set this piece of code here, and now let's do something like this, where we can set the x value to be 300, and instead of 0, let's actually make a new variable called random start, and this is going to be for all actors. So click variables, add variable, create variable called random start, and for all actors, and click OK. Now you see this over here is random start, and what we're going to do is we want to set random start equal to some random height in the y direction, so when the pipes keep getting generated, they'll be at different heights. We can do that by grabbing this key here, set random start to, and now we're going to pull a random number in the y direction. We do that by going to operator tab, and then there's a piece here that says pick random 1 to whatever. We're going to put that over here, and instead of 1 to 10, we're going to make it between 100 and 300. We'll see what that'll do. So we're going to pull this piece of code out and put this one here, move this back over to here, and this over here. So now let's read through what the computer would see when it sees this code. So after we originally move the pipe over to the side, it'll glide 8 seconds to the left side of the screen, and then we pick a random number and move it back to the right side of the screen and at that random number. So let's watch to see what happens here. So say we click go, and I'm just going to let the butterfly fall. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to be looking at the top pipe here. So you see how the top pipe is gliding for 8 seconds from the right side to the left, and then it moves back to the right side of the screen, but now it's starting at a random y position. When I get back over here, it's going to start back on the right side again, and it's just going to keep going around this loop forever. It'll glide to the left, it'll pick a new random number for the height of how high up it's supposed to be, and then it'll go through again and again and again. So we're basically going to take this piece of code here and copy and paste it into the other 3 top pipe codes, but we're going to add one caveat. We want each of these other pipes to get delayed by 2 seconds, so they come in one after the other. So we go to flow and wait 2 seconds, copy this one, go to pipe 2, paste it here, wait 4 seconds per pipe 2, and for pipe 3 we're going to wait 6 seconds, and I'll show you what this looks like. So now if I click go, press enter, so I'm not messing with the bird again, but now look, you see these pipes come one after the other, and they all start at the same original height, but then after that they start coming in at random heights, and they'll just keep doing this forever. Kind of nice. So now we have all the top pipes moving in the way that we want them. Now we have to start making the bottom pipes move to follow these top pipes.